Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow meringue using an easy method. First, combine 3 large egg whites and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar in a heat-proof bowl. Place the bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk constantly until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit and the sugar is fully dissolved. This gentle heating is key for stability. Once heated, remove the bowl from the double boiler and immediately begin beating the mixture on high speed with an electric mixer. Continue beating until the meringue is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that stand up straight. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. You can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Your marshmallow meringue is now ready to use. You can pipe it onto pies, tarts, or cupcakes, or spread it over desserts. For a professional touch, use a kitchen torch to toast the meringue until it's beautifully golden brown. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, but it's best enjoyed fresh. For the best results, always use fresh, room-temperature egg whites. Be careful not to overwhip your meringue, as this can cause it to become grainy or separate. If your meringue seems too soft, continue beating for another minute or 2. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.